What's up, people? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default number of product that displays on your product page. That's from your admin dashboard. You can see by the time I select all here, you can see that it's just showing 20, of which, let's say if I was to, probably you want to delete the products or something like that, and deleting from, since we have the product are much now, if deleting one after the other, it might take time. You can see deleting just 20 at a time is you have to do it for about 18 times. You can see from here we have about 18 pages you need to move. So with this, now I'm going to just show you how to make it easier for you. So instead of displaying just 20, it's going to display more numbers of products. So let me just show you how to go about it. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So for this particular tutorial, we are going to be making use of code snippets. So if you don't have any coding snippets installed, just go ahead to your plugins, go to plugins and install WP code. One I'm actually using is WP code. You can say just come over here and click on add snippets. So I'm going to just open it on a new tab. So you can see this is it. Once it opens here, what you're going to now do next is to just click on add new. Then you now click on PHP. So I've already added that already. So what I'm going to just do, I'll just show you the code here. So now you can see this is it here. What I did was I just gave it a title, so the display can give it a title where that's on this particular site. You can give it the title, enter the title you want to enter here. Then on this, then you now paste this code. I will be dropping the link to this particular code in the description box below. So you just check and you make use of it. So once you've added the title and you've added the code, then there's nothing you do. What you just do is just to make this active and save the. You see on this you see save snippet. You just turn it active and save the snippet. So I've saved the snippet now. So let me now come to my product page. Let me reload my product page so that you see how it looks like if it has taken effect. Remember, it was showing just 20. So by the time I do this now, it's going to now show, instead of showing 20 products, it's going to be showing, you can see it's showing 100 products at a go. So now what if I want to, you can decide to reduce the number of, you can see instead of showing me that 18 pages now, I now have to just navigate through 4 pages. You can also, let me just try something here. Let me now increase it to, let's say, on 200. Let me increase it to, let's say, 200 and save it up, update it. Now let me try something here and reload this particular page again. So I've reloaded the page. So by the time I click on, you can see we now have 200 and you can see it's now just 2 pages. So that is just how you can go about. So you can increase it any way you want to. So you might decide to increase the products, you might decide to reduce the product. So I just wanted to show you how to, in case you want to increase the products numbers on that displays on your Woocommerce page. So this is just how you go about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.